Welcome to Esterillos, Oeste, and one of the most spectacular views on the central Pacific coast of Costa Rica. This is a fabulous titled ocean view property, walking distance from Esterillos Oeste Beach. This is a huge Sinistro tree, ash tree, that is actually on the property. It's a big lot, almost 2,000 meters. I'm on the top deck currently, which is a bird watcher's dream. There goes a bird flying off as I say that. Here's another giant Sinistro tree right here, which is also on the property. This entire lot next door is included in the purchase. Plenty of room to build or to keep the way it is, to preserve the privacy. Wonderful upstairs deck, top floor. I will go down one level and show you the middle floor next. Our tour continues. Second floor, middle floor, with this same spectacular panorama view. Open concept. There's a wraparound deck, and you can see the majestic ash tree, Sinistro tree. You've got a coconut palm here off the front, parking for at least 5 vehicles out front. This house was designed to catch the tropical breezes. There are a couple of air-conditioned rooms in the home, but they are very rarely used. Solid wood cabinetry throughout the kitchen. You've got your range and oven there. Refrigerator, of course. 2 bedrooms on this level. This does come with the furniture. This one has a closet. We have tenants right now, so they have their personal belongings. Nice enough to let us do a video tour today. Upstairs bathroom. And second bedroom, and this bedroom has an exit to the deck, which also has a beautiful sunrise view. Lots of airflow through this house. You can actually see through this tree, you see the whole coastline, the Central Pacific coast, all the way to Manuel Antonio. So let's go downstairs and take a look at the first level. And continuing from the ground level, as you can see, still spectacular whitewater view. You can watch the surfers from your pool, which stays cool. It's under the overhang here. It stays nice and cool. You've got the pool pump room over here, a recently finished kitchen area. This is the laundry room, but it could also be converted into a third bathroom. This is plumbed for a shower. Right now they have their laundry in there, obviously. You have these owner's closets here. Parking out front. They recently did a beautiful awning on the front. As you can see, lots of parking. There's actually 4 vehicles here right now, which is a good thing because you're going to have a lot of company when you have a home like this in Costa Rica. You can see the living area here. And this is almost like a separate apartment in here. You've got a big bedroom, workspace, full shower with a view of the ocean. Pretty awesome. there you have it. Doesn't get much better than this for Costa Rica. This checks off all the boxes.